Welcome to Maths class children. In the previous class we have completed with our 4.4 exercise. Yes, and we have learned how to write the story problems and sentences and how to do the calculation we have learned in our previous exercise. Yes, today we are going to start with a new exercise, that is 4.5. Okay, so in this exercise you have estimation of the problems. Yes, so here they have given some numbers and they did not tell you to estimate the number exactly to particular place. So what you have to do here you have to find the estimation of the last place. Okay, so according to the number, if the number is of 3 digits, you have to do the estimation of 100 place. If the number is of 2 digits, you have to do the estimation of 10 place. Okay, so like that, according to the question, the estimation will change. Okay, so now let us start with our exercise, children. So the first bit is estimation. So this exercise is there in page number 149. I hope every one of you are ready with your term book and class work. Yes, so whichever work we are doing, we want our term book and class work is also compulsory. Yes, so we will see the question in the term book and we will solve the problems in the class work. Okay, so here the first question we have 167 into 54. Okay, so the first question here they have given 167 into 54. So here 167, for this estimation, what will be the estimation? So here 3 places are there. Yes, here 3 places are there. From in these 3 places, the last one, the 100 place, the third last place, we will do estimation. So when we are doing estimation, we will check the next number. No, if that number is more than 5, I think you have learned these problems in your previous chapters also, and in your previous class also, in the third class also, you have learned this method. Yes, so here I am explaining. See again. So here, whichever the place we are doing the estimation, after that place, whatever the number you have here, for this number we will check whether it is more than 5 or less than 5. Yes, whether the number is 5 or more than 5, we will do +1 to the estimated number. Okay, to which place we are estimating, to that number we will do +1. So whichever if we have the number below 5, less than 5, if we have this number, we will write the same number. Okay, so here our number is 6. 6 means more than 5, no? So we will do +1 to our estimated number. Okay, so +1 to our estimation place. So 1 + 1 we have 2 here, and the other places it will become zeros. Very easy problems. The other places they will become zeros. See here the second one we have 54. For 54 we have only 2 places. Okay, for 54 we have only 2 places. So what we will do? We will estimate the last place. Same like our first question, we will estimate the last place. So here we have 1's place and 10's place. So we will do estimation for 10's place. So 1's place, we will check whether it is more than 5 or less than 5. See here we have 4. 4 means it is less than 5. Less than 5 means our estimation number, whichever number we are taking here, we will take the same number. So we will do multiplication directly here. So we will take the same number 5 and the other number it will become 0. Okay. So now estimation of the number is finished. Now we have to multiply this both the numbers. Okay. So total here we have here 0, no? So 0 if we multiply with any number we will get 0. Okay. So this problem I am explaining to clearly. 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 twos are also 0. Okay. Now see the next number 5. 5 should be multiplied with 0. 5 zeros are 0 again, 5 zeros 0 again. So 5 twos are 10. Okay. Now multiplication is finished. Now we have to add these two numbers. So 0, all zeros will be 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0, 1. So how much you got here? You got here 10,000. So 167 is multiplied with 54. After estimation you got 10,000. Okay. By this we have completed our problem. Now I will show you the next problem also. See this one, the second problem is same like your first problem. So I will explain the other problem. So second problem you do as homework. Third one I will explain. Bit 1, B, C I will explain, B, D, E. Three problems I am giving you homework. Okay, B, D, E. Now I will explain C problem, C. So C problem is also same like that only. 553 is multiplied with 764. Okay, so here this C1 is also same like this one only, but here the number of the digit has increased. Okay, the number of the digit has increased, so you have to be checking the number will change here. The estimation number will change. See the estimation for 453. How much you will get? So ones, tens, 100. So we will do estimation for 100 place. So what we will do? We will check the next number, no? 5. So just now I have explained. If your number is 5 or more than 5, we will do plus 1 to the 100 place number, the estimated number. Yes, so the estimation number here we are taking place 100 place and the number is 4. So our number, the checking number we have, it is 5. So we will do plus 1 to the 100 place number. So 4 plus 1 we have here 5 and the other places zeros. Okay, from the checking place how many places do we have? All the places they will become zeros. Okay, now take next number 765. Yes, here also we have 3 places. Okay, so 100 place we are estimating. So check tens place. Tens place if it is 5 or more than 5, we will take 100 place plus 1. If the number is less than 5, we will take the same number. See here we have 6. 6 means what? 6 means more than 5. So more than 5 means again we will do plus 1 to the estimated place. Yes, so here we have 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 it is 8. And the other 2 places they will become zeros. Okay, so here we have done, I have explained this one very clearly. No? Now I will explain you in a short form. See how many zeros you will have in your question. That many zeros you can write in your answer. Okay, so you are having 4 zeros. So you will get 4 zeros in your place and you can multiply with the number. Okay, this is short form. Directly you can multiply with the number. So how many? If you have zeros only, it will be applicable. Okay, this short form will be applicable only when you have number zeros. In the multiplier place, if you have zeros only, this will be applicable. Okay, so here we are having 4 zeros. So we will write 4 zeros here in the answer and we have numbers left here 8 and 5. So 8 5s are 40. So how much you got here? Here you got 4 lakhs. Okay, here how much you got? 4 lakhs. The estimation of this 453 and 765, how much you got? 4 lakhs. Okay, so by this we have completed this one. Now we will move on to the next problem. See one more problem I will explain in this bit only. The next problem. Next problem I have given homework. No, B, D, E I have given homework. So F1 I will explain you once. F1. So what is the question F1? 544 into 707. Okay, 544 into 707. So write the headings, children. Heading is compulsory, page number is compulsory. So write the heading from your term book. Okay, write the heading and write the page number beside to that and then do the problems. Exercise number is compulsory. Exercise number with the heading, then do the problems. Okay. Now estimation of 544. So here we have ones, tens, 100 place. 3 places we have here. So 100 place we will do the estimation. So in the next page we will check whether that number is more than 5 or 5. We will do plus 1 to our number. If the number is less than 5, so we will take the number same. Okay. So see here we have 4 no. 4 means what? It is less than 5. 4 means less than 5. So when we have less than 5, we will take the same number, and how many zeros are, how many places are there, that many zeros we will take. Okay. So now 707. 707. So now for this also we have to do estimation like that only. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So here we have next place what we will check. Next place we are having here 0. The checking place it is 0. 0 means what? Less than 5. Less than 5 means again we will get same here. Same number, and next to 2 places zeros. Okay. Just now I have explained. We can do this problems in the short form. How many zeros you are having in the question, that many zeros you can write. 4 zeros here. Okay. Then you have to multiply with the number. 7 5s are 7 5s or 5 7s are, both you will get same answer. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So how much you got here? 3,50,000. So multiplication of 544 and 707 is 3,50,000. Okay. So by this we have completed our first bit. Now we will move on to the second one. So second question is like a story problem. Let us see what is there in our second question. See, a box contains 137 marbles. Estimate how many marbles are there in 78 such boxes. Yes. So here in a box they have 137 marbles are there it says. Estimate how many marbles are there in 78 such boxes. So here excuse me. So here also same like this only, we have to estimate and we have to write. Okay. So estimate how many marbles are there in the 78 boxes they are asking. So here first we have to write sentences. As this is like a story problem, we will write the sentence and we will do the estimation. Number of marbles in a box. So in a box we have 137 marbles. Okay. And how many marbles are there in 78 such boxes they are asking. So number of marbles – 78 boxes. Okay. So now do the estimation. 137. For 137, what will be the estimation? So here once we have tens and hundreds, no? So tens place we will check. See this tens place, it is 3. 3 means it is less than 5, no? So less than 5 means we will take the same number. So 100. Next 2 places 0. Next is 78, no? So 78, 8 is more than 5. More than 5 means we will do plus 1 to our 7. Okay. So here it is 8 and next is 0. So now do the multiplication. Now in our question we have 3 zeros, no? So you take 3 zeros, then multiply with the number. 8 ones are 8. So total how many marbles are there? The estimation of marbles in 78 boxes is 8,000. Okay, so this is about your second question. We have done the estimation of the marbles and we have completed. Now see the third one. Third one is also in the same way. A shelf in a music shop can contain 784 music CDs. Estimate how many CDs can 198 similar shelves contain. So this is also same like your second one only. Third problem is also same like your second question only. So first you have to write the sentence, then do the estimation, then multiplication. Okay. Third one. Number of CDs. Number of CDs in a shelf. Number of CDs in a shelf. So in one shelf they have 784 CDs. Okay. Now we have to find 198 shelves. How many CDs will be there? Number of CDs in 198 shelves. Okay. So now you have to find in 198 shelves how many CDs will be there. Now do the estimation. Okay. So here we have 7. So here the checking number it is 8. 8 means again it is more than 5. No? So we will do plus 1 to our 100 place number. So 7 plus 1 it is 8 and the other two places they will become zeros. Now see here again here tens place the checking number it is 9. 9 means it is more than 9, more than 5. So more than 5 means we will do plus 1 to our 100 place number. Again 1 plus 1 it is 2. Next two places they will become zeros. Okay. So now we have to do multiplication. So as we have 4 zeros in our question, so in our answer also we have to write 4 zeros. Okay. Then you do the multiplication of the numbers. 2 8s are 2 8s are 16. So how much you got? 1,60,000. Okay. So therefore the estimation of CDs in 198 shells is 1,60,000. Okay. So in 198 shells we have nearly 1,60,000 series. Okay. So by this we have completed our exercise. Okay, and homework also I have given B, D, E from your first bit. If you are interested, you can do other problems also, but homework is here. The remaining all the problems also you practice and keep it. Okay, so I'll meet you in the next class.